So that tells you right there, that kicks all the color boundaries out the door. But if they don't have that, they're going to use the rule of the flat nose, woolly hair. He must discharge a white person Indian out of the custody. And he must re-deliver the black or mulatto person with the flat nose and woolly hair to the person claiming to hold him or her as a slave, unless the black person or mulatto could procure some person to be bound for him, to produce proof of his descent in the maternal line from a free female ancestor. This case shows by my interpretation how far the onus probandi may be shifted from one party to another, and is, I trust, a sufficient comment upon the case to show that I do not concur with the Chancellor in his reasoning on the operation of the first clause of the Bill of Rights, which was notoriously framed with a cautious eye to this subject and was meant to embrace the case of free citizens or aliens only, and not by side wing to overturn the rights of property and give freedom to those very people whom we have been compelled from imperious circumstances to retain generally in the same state of bondage that they were in at the revolution, in which they had no concern, agency, or interest. But notwithstanding this difference of opinion from the Chancellor, I heartily concur with him in the pronouncing the appellees absolutely free, and I am therefore of the opinion that decree be affirmed. Judge Rowan. The distinguishing characteristics of the different species of human race are so visibly marked that those species may be readily discriminated from each other by mere inspection only. In the case of a person visibly appearing to be a Negro, the presumption is in this country that he is a slave, and it is incumbent on him to make out his right to freedom. And in the case of the person visibly appearing to be a white man or an Indian, the presumption is that he is free, and it is necessary for his adversary to shew that he is a slave. James Fleming, Carrington, and Lyons, President concurrent.